In this lesson, I want to continue by tidying up my site plan. And the first thing I'm going to do is to delete this existing information, which is the existing role information, because I only want to keep proposed information in my drawing. So with my mouse, I'm going to select those lines and text that I don't need, and I can press the delete key to delete everything. Now at the command line, type CO. This is the shortcut for the copy command. And I want to copy this piece of text. Now with that piece of text selected, hit spacebar and now move the new piece of text I've created, and I want to move it over to where my sidewalk is. So I have this new piece of text and I'll click on it, and notice up here in the layers that the layer is called C-building-text. So I want to create a new layer called C-sidewalk-text. So I'm going to navigate to my C-sidewalk layer. I've clicked on that now, hit enter, and I have a new layer now called C-sidewalk-text. So what I did there was I clicked on the layer C-sidewalk and I clicked enter, and that actually just makes a copy of that C-sidewalk layer, and you can rename it as you wish. So now I have a layer C-sidewalk-text. I can close the layer properties, click on the new piece of text and change the layer over here to C-sidewalk-text. Now I want to move my piece of text onto the sidewalk. So at the command line, type M, which is the shortcut for move, hit the space bar, click on that piece of text, hit the space bar, or you can right click, which is what I usually do. And now I can move that piece of text. Now I'm going to double click on that piece of text, select everything in here, and type 1.5 meter sidewalk. Now click on that text again, right click and click on properties. Now under text, come down to text height and change the height to 1. So now I have my text between the sidewalk, and that's where I want to show up. So I can close the properties dialog box by hitting the X here. At the command line, type CO, the shortcut for copy, and copy that piece of text I've just made, and add some more text and place a few more on your sidewalk. I'll put one here. Now you can see that my text isn't rotated correctly, so what I can do is rotate it, and I can rotate it by, at the command line, type RO, hit the space bar, select my piece of text and hit the space bar, and you can rotate then with your mouse. So I'm going to rotate that and move it here, just like that. Now I'm going to copy another piece of text and put it over here. At the command line, type CO to get into the copy command. Click on the piece of text, right click, and move the new piece of text to here. Now again, you're going to have to rotate this piece of text, but a better command to rotate text is T-orient. T-orient. So get into the T-orient command, click on your piece of text, hit the spacebar, and now I want my text to align with this line here, the sidewalk line. So I'm going to click there, move along the line, and now I can click here. And I've rotated my text so it's in line with the sidewalk. And you can do that with any piece of text. So the command is T-orient. So click on the piece of text. I can align my text from here to here, but I don't want to show my text like that. So again, I'll right click. I'm right clicking now because by right clicking and clicking on recent input, I can see all my recently used commands. And I want to get into T-orient, text orient. Click on my piece of text, right click, and then I want to orientate that piece of text along that line. So now it's rotated along that line. So download the lesson and try out the new commands that you have learned in this lesson.